Before you say no to life insurance, let's clear up these three misconceptions. When you're expecting, life insurance probably isn't the first thing that's on your mind. You're thinking about doctor's appointments, the nursery, maternity leave, diapers, childcare, and everything your baby is going to need. But becoming a mom also means asking a bigger question. If something happened to me or my partner, would my family be financially okay? And that's where a lot of people get stuck, because they believe in one of these three misconceptions. Misconception 1. Life insurance is too expensive. A lot of people assume life insurance costs hundreds of dollars a month, but many families are surprised to learn it can be much more affordable than they thought. More than half of Americans overestimate the cost of life insurance by as much as 3 times. For example, term life insurance for a healthy 30-year-old can cost around $170 per year, but 43% of millennials thinks it costs over $1,000. So before you assume it's not in your budget, it may be worth actually checking. And even if you already have some coverage, that brings us to misconception number 2. My work policy is enough. Your workplace life insurance is a great benefit, but for a growing family, it may not be enough. The median workplace life insurance coverage is either a flat $20,000 or 1 to 2 years salary. Now think about everything your baby would still need. Childcare, housing, groceries, medical costs, debt payments, and years of income replacement. For many families, workplace coverage alone would not stretch far enough. And once people realize they may need more coverage, the next concern is usually this: it's too difficult to buy. And I get it. When you are expecting, your to-do list is already full. The last thing you want is another complicated process. But life insurance doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, 40% of uninsured Americans say they put off buying coverage because they don't know what to buy or how much they need. That's exactly why getting guidance can make it easier. You don't need to figure out the amount, the type of policy, and the application process by yourself. But in my eyes, the biggest misconception is thinking life insurance is only about death. It's really about making sure the people you love can keep living. And when you're expecting a baby, that protection matters even more. So before your baby gets here, take a few minutes to see what the coverage could look like.